Pinworms became real for me through restless nights and constant itching that disrupted sleep and focus. It felt embarrassing at first, but the truth is simple. This is a common infection, especially in households, and it can be handled with clear steps and consistency without panic or myths. Treatment targets worms and stops reinfection. The most effective approach is medically approved treatment combined with strict hygiene. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, pinworms are treated using medications like mebendazole or albendazole, which work by disrupting the worm's ability to survive in the intestines. A second dose is usually needed after 2 weeks to eliminate newly hatched worms. My first step was simple but important. Take the medication as directed and treat everyone in the household at the same time. Within days, the itching reduced, but the real challenge was preventing reinfection. How reinfection happens matters. Pinworm eggs spread easily through hands, surfaces, and fabrics. Scratching transfers microscopic eggs that can be swallowed again without noticing. Breaking this cycle is just as important as treatment. Daily habits that make a real difference. Wash hands thoroughly after bathroom use and before eating. Keep fingernails short to reduce egg transfer. Shower every morning to remove eggs from the skin. Change underwear and bed sheets daily for at least 1 week. Avoid nail biting and touching the face frequently. I added one more step that helped. Cleaning frequently touched surfaces like door handles and phones. It sounds small, but it reduces the chance of eggs spreading around the house. Scientific context is clear and grounded. Guidelines from the World Health Organization emphasize hygiene and sanitation as key to controlling parasitic infections. Studies in clinical infectious diseases confirm that medication plus hygiene is the most reliable strategy for pinworm control. No instant or extreme method replaces this combination. Results vary depending on consistency. Some people may need repeated treatment if reinfection occurs. Missing hygiene steps can bring the problem back even after medication works. Consult your doctor before taking medication. Possible cautions include mild stomach upset or sensitivity to medication. Follow proper dosage and medical advice. To track progress, I focused on symptoms. Reduced itching at night was the first sign. Improved sleep came next. I also monitored hygiene consistency daily to avoid repeating the cycle. This is not about quick dramatic fixes. It is about a clear, proven system that works when followed carefully. Once the cycle is broken, normal comfort returns and the problem fades quietly. Stay consistent for 2 weeks to break the cycle. Like and share if this helped. Clean habits protect your health every day.